If your fireplace surround is stained with soot or smoke residue, you can totally clean it up and make it look fresh again without calling in a pro. So, first off, grab a soft brush or vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to get rid of loose soot and dust. Don't just wipe it around or you'll spread the mess. Next, mix warm water with a gentle dish soap or a special stone cleaner if your surround is marble or granite. Use a soft cloth or sponge to gently scrub the stains, working in small sections so you don't miss spots. For tougher smoke residue, a paste made from baking soda and water works wonders. Apply it, let it sit for about 15 minutes, then gently scrub and rinse. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive pads because they can damage the surface. After cleaning, dry the area with a clean towel to prevent streaks and water spots. If you notice persistent stains, consider using a commercial soot remover designed for fireplaces, but always test it on a small hidden area first. Finally, keep your fireplace surround clean by wiping it down regularly after use to stop buildup before it gets bad. One of the biggest issues with cleaning fireplace surrounds stained by soot or smoke residue is using the wrong cleaner, which can ruin delicate stone or paint. Always check what materials your surround is made of and pick cleaners accordingly. Another mistake is scrubbing too hard or using abrasive tools, which can scratch or wear down the surface. Stick to soft cloths and gentle brushes instead. Lastly, skipping the drying step after cleaning leads to watermarks and streaks that make your fireplace look worse. Always dry thoroughly with a clean towel to keep things looking sharp. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trustworthy local contractors who know their way around fireplace cleaning and home improvement. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, creating a win-win for everyone involved.